Recording the sewer line here at 4907 Fremont Avenue North. Date is February 26, 2021. Making this video after doing some hydrojetting cleaning. We are looking at the Seattle City main right now. We're going to pull it back from the city main, get a look at this 6-inch diameter line. It's a shared line between two homes. I'm going to pull back from this point and get a look at this line. So we've zeroed out the footage. This line was heavily had a ton of root intrusion. Couldn't get the camera out to the main until we got it clean now. So this is all 6-inch diameter pipe. You see at a lot of these seams where those roots were coming in. Small section of concrete pipe with a tie-in on the left hand side. I'm going to pause the video really quick and go locate this tie-in. Okay, located that at about the curb line. Coming back still now. 6-inch diameter pipe. Got a large root here. It looks like it's broken through quite a bit of the pipe there, causing a big issue. That's back into plastic here, so there's a tie-in here as well. I'm going to go locate this tie-in. Pausing the video. Okay, located that in the sidewalk area. Coming back still now, 6-inch diameter clay. And then back into our PVC repair. So it looks like we've got 45 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe that I'm going to recommend we line. Then we come back into the PVC repair we installed in the neighboring yard. And back into 4-inch diameter. I'm going to zero out our footage here again. And get a look at this 4-inch diameter line. This is the personal line for 4907. And it's going to end right there. So we'll call it 28 feet of 4-inch diameter line, 45 feet of 6-inch. This is all PVC coming back. The PVC looks like it's in good shape.